A dead body of a man was found in the forest of Palatana area in Laltila of Udaipur subdivision on Sunday morning. The deceased was identified as Uttam Das, approximately 50 years old. However, it is suspected that it is a murder. According to the details of the incident, a man named Uttam Das, a resident of Laltila area of Udaipur, left his house for work on Friday morning, but no trace of Uttam Das was found throughout the day. The people of the house searched a lot till Sunday morning and did not find anything good, and the family members were disappointed. Meanwhile, on Sunday morning at around 11:30 a.m., body of Uttam Das was found lying in a forest in Laltila area and informed to Kakraban police station. Immediately, police rushed to the spot as soon as they were informed about the incident. Later, Uttam Das was immediately taken to Kakraban Primary Health Center where the doctors declared him dead.
কোন জায়গা বাড়ি? কবে থেকে বাড়ি থেকে মিসিং? কি কারণে?
কোনো কিছু না জানি, কাজের কথা বলতে করেছিল, বাচ্চা খাইছে, খাওয়া দাওয়া করে কাজে কথা বলছি। তারপরে থেকে মানে সন্ধ্যা হয়ে গেছে, আমি কোনো খবরগুলো পাই না আমরা। তারপরে আমরা কাটাকাটি করছি,
আজকে পাইছেন 2 দিন পরে? এটা কোন জায়গা? মুল্লাটিলা।
On the other hand, police have started investigation with a case in hand. This incident caused a lot of excitement in the area. Reported by Rajiv from Udaipur, Chini Khorang.